Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money Online with AI Tools. AI tools are taking over the business world, from writing blogs, creating designs, analyzing data, to answering customer questions. Sounds like the ultimate shortcut, right? Who wouldn't want to save time and money? But hold up, is it really all that perfect? Like anything in business, there are two sides to the coin. Sure, AI can speed things up and cut costs, but what about the risks? Privacy concerns, lack of personal touch, or things just going wrong? So, should you use AI in your business? Let's break down the pros and cons so you can decide. Plus, if you want a step-by-step guide to building your own AI-based side hustle blueprint, don't forget to check out my ebook, AI Side Hustle. It's packed with actionable tips whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Link is in the description. Let's get into it. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from sci-fi movies. It's here, and it's changing the way businesses operate. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, running a small startup, or managing a big corporation, AI tools are making things faster, easier, and, let's be honest, way more efficient. But let's take a step back. Why is AI such a big deal for businesses today? Well, imagine having a tool that can handle repetitive tasks, analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, or even respond to customers while you sleep. Sounds like something only big companies could afford, right? Not anymore. With AI becoming more accessible, even small businesses and freelancers can now use tools that once seemed out of reach. Imagine, you've got deadlines piling up, customers waiting for replies, and a never-ending to-do list. Enter AI tools like ChatGPT to draft emails, Canva's AI design tools to create visuals, and automation platforms that handle bookings or payments. Suddenly, your workload seems manageable again. And the best part, you can focus on growing your business instead of drowning in admin work. Now, don't get me wrong, AI isn't a magic wand. It's a tool, and how you use it makes all the difference. Some people use it to brainstorm ideas faster, while others rely on it for things like data entry, social media scheduling, or even predicting customer behavior. That's the real power of AI, it's versatile. But why are so many businesses jumping on the AI bandwagon? Simple, it saves time and money. Think about it, hiring staff is expensive. Training them, even more so. AI tools, on the other hand, can be up and running in minutes. Need a customer service chatbot? Done. Want a quick social media post? AI can handle that too. And when you're running a business, saving just a few hours a week can make a huge difference. That said, it's not just about speed or cost cutting. AI also helps improve accuracy and consistency. Human error happens. We're only human, after all. But with AI, tasks like calculations, data analysis, and content generation become more reliable. So, whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients or a business owner looking to streamline operations, AI tools can be your secret weapon. But, yes, there's a but. It's essential to know both the upsides and the potential pitfalls before going all in. That's exactly what we're diving into in this video. Follow me as we are going to explore the key pros and cons of using AI tools for your business. Trust me, by the end, you'll know whether it's the right move for you. Let's talk about the pros. First up, AI saves time. Imagine this. You need a blog post, a social media caption, and a dozen emails written yesterday. Normally, that's hours, maybe even days of work. But with AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Writesonic, you can generate content in minutes. And it's not just about writing. AI can schedule your meetings, manage your inbox, and even automate data entry. It's like having a virtual assistant that works instantly. No coffee breaks, no complaints, just results. Next on the list, it's cost-effective. Hiring employees, contractors, or agencies can be expensive, especially if you're just starting out. AI tools, on the other hand, usually come with affordable monthly subscriptions. For the price of a couple of coffees, You could have software that designs your graphics, analyzes your sales data, or even handles customer service. Think about the money you save, not to mention the headaches you avoid. Speaking of customer service, let's talk about 24/7 availability. AI doesn't need to sleep, eat, or take weekends off. With AI chatbots, your customers can get answers to their questions anytime, day or night. This is huge, especially if you have international clients or an online store. No more missed opportunities while you're catching some Zs. Another big plus, AI handles repetitive tasks. Let's be honest, no one enjoys spending hours copying and pasting data or scheduling posts one by one. AI automates those boring tasks, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, like strategy, innovation, or, hey, even taking a break for once. And here's something business owners love: AI helps with decision-making. Tools like Google Analytics use AI to track your website's performance and customer behavior. This means you can make smarter decisions, backed by data, instead of just guessing what works. Want to know which product sells best on weekends? AI got your back. Plus, let's not forget how AI boosts productivity. With faster turnaround times and fewer manual tasks, you and your team can get more done in less time. And when you're more productive, you're more competitive. That's a win-win. Oh, and one more thing, AI can enhance creativity. Yep, you heard that right. AI tools can help brainstorm ideas, suggest designs, or even compose music. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. With AI, you save time, cut costs, improve customer service, automate repetitive tasks, make better decisions, and even boost your creativity. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But before you get too excited and jump in head first, remember, nothing is perfect. AI comes with its own set of challenges, and we are going to cover that now because knowing the cons is just as important as knowing the pros. Next is the cons. First off, AI lacks the human touch. Sure, chatbots can answer questions, and AI can write emails or create designs, but let's be real, sometimes they just feel robotic. Ever had a conversation with a chatbot that didn't really understand you? Frustrating, isn't it? In customer service, that lack of empathy or nuance can turn customers off. People still value genuine human interaction, especially when dealing with complaints or complex issues. Next, AI isn't always accurate. Yep, you heard that right. While AI can process tons of data, it's not immune to mistakes. AI-generated content can sometimes be off, data predictions might be flawed, and let's not even talk about the occasional weird chatbot responses. Relying solely on AI without human oversight can lead to embarrassing errors or even costly decisions. Always double-check before hitting that "send" button. Then there's the issue of privacy and data security. AI tools often require access to sensitive information. If you're using third-party software, are you sure your data, or your customers' data, is safe? Data breaches are no joke, and regulations like GDPR are strict. Failing to protect personal information can land you in legal hot water and damage your brand's reputation. Another thing to consider, AI can lead to dependency. It's tempting to rely on AI for everything because it's easy. But what happens if the tool malfunctions or the platform goes down? Or worse, you forget how to perform certain tasks yourself. Over-reliance on technology can make you less adaptable. It's crucial to maintain a balance and keep your skills sharp. Job displacement is another concern. Automating tasks might save you money, but what about your team? Replacing people with machines can lower morale and raise ethical questions. While AI is great for streamlining processes, businesses should think about how it affects their employees and the overall work culture. And let's not forget, AI isn't cheap for everyone. Sure, there are affordable tools out there, but advanced AI systems can get pricey. Plus, there's the learning curve. Some tools are easy to use, while others require time and training. If you're not tech-savvy, setting up and integrating AI into your business might feel overwhelming. Lastly, creativity and originality can suffer. While AI can help brainstorm ideas, it pulls from existing data. This means the content or solutions it generates might not be as fresh or unique as you'd like. If you're looking to stand out in a competitive market, relying too much on AI could backfire. So, to sum it up, while AI can save you time and money, it can also lead to mistakes, privacy risks, loss of human connection, and even ethical concerns. It's not about avoiding AI, it's about using it wisely. So, we've gone through the pros and cons of using AI tools for your business. The question now is, how do you strike the right balance? Because let's be honest, while AI can do wonders, it's how you use it that truly matters. Let's break down how to make AI work for you, not against you. First, identify your needs. Not every business requires the latest, most advanced AI tools. Ask yourself this: what tasks are eating up my time? Where can I be more efficient? Maybe you need help with content creation, customer service, or data analysis. Pinpoint the areas where AI can provide the most value, without overcomplicating things. Start small and expand as you get comfortable. Second, don't skip the human touch. Yes, AI can handle a lot, but people still crave real connections. Use AI for tasks like answering FAQs or automating basic emails, but keep humans involved in more nuanced interactions. For example, let a chatbot handle initial inquiries, but have a human step in for complex issues. That way, you get the best of both worlds, speed and empathy. Now, let's talk about accuracy and oversight. AI tools are powerful, but they're not foolproof. Always double-check AI-generated content, data reports, or customer communications. Think of AI as your assistant, not your decision maker. It's there to help you, not replace you. A quick review can save you from embarrassing mistakes or costly errors. When it comes to data privacy, be proactive. Choose AI tools with strong security measures and clear privacy policies. Make sure you comply with regulations like GDPR and keep your customers' data safe. Transparency builds trust, so let your audience know how you're using their information. Train your team to use AI effectively. A tool is only as good as the person using it. Provide training so your employees feel confident and empowered, not threatened. When your team understands how AI can support them, they'll be more likely to embrace it and use it wisely. One important tip: avoid over-reliance. AI should enhance your business, not run it. Maintain a healthy balance by keeping certain processes manual, especially those that require creativity or personal judgment. AI can assist in brainstorming, but when it comes to final decisions and creative direction, that's your domain. Own it. And hey, budget wisely. Don't get swept up in the hype of expensive, complex AI systems if you don't need them. Plenty of affordable tools offer fantastic value. Do your research, read reviews, and test out free trials before committing. Finally, stay adaptable. AI technology evolves fast. Keep up with updates, attend webinars, and be open to new tools that can improve your business. The goal isn't just to keep up, it's to stay ahead. Alright, let's wrap this up with some key takeaways and final thoughts to guide your AI journey. First, AI is a tool, not a replacement. Use it to handle repetitive tasks and save time, but don't forget the value of human creativity, empathy, and judgment. Balance is key. Second, start small and scale up. Identify the areas in your business where AI can make the biggest impact. Test out a few tools, see what works, and build from there. There's no need to dive into complex systems right away. Third, always review and refine. AI isn't perfect. Double-check AI-generated content, data insights, and customer interactions. A little oversight goes a long way in avoiding costly mistakes. Fourth, prioritize data privacy. Choose tools with strong security and be transparent with your customers. Trust is everything in business, don't compromise it. Fifth, keep the human connection alive. Automate what you can, but let real people handle tasks that require understanding, nuance, and emotion. Customers appreciate that personal touch. And finally, stay adaptable. AI technology is evolving fast. Stay curious. Keep learning, and be open to new innovations that can take your business to the next level. In conclusion, AI is a tool, not a magic wand. It can be a game changer if you use it wisely. Let it handle the heavy lifting or repetitive stuff so you can focus on what you do best, building relationships, driving growth, and creating value. That's it for today. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this. If you're excited about the possibilities and ready to take the next step, don't forget to grab my ebook, AI Side Hustle. It's your complete guide to building a side hustle with AI, whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.